In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the invalid Zoom meeting problem with a straightforward solution for 2025. We've all been there. You've got an important meeting to attend, but Zoom just won't cooperate. Let's make sure that the next time this happens, you know exactly what to do. First things first, double check that meeting ID and password. It's easy to make a little typo with a long string of numbers, so ensure you have entered the correct meeting ID with no missing or extra digits. If the meeting requires a passcode, confirm that you've got the right one. These small details are crucial and might just solve your problem right off the bat. Next, let's talk about the importance of keeping your Zoom app up to date. An outdated app can frequently lead to errors like this. Open your Zoom application, navigate to settings, and then check for updates. If you spot a new version, go ahead and install it. Alternatively, you can also download the latest version directly from the Zoom website for good measure. Now, let's discuss the invitation link. Many of us join meetings through these links, and if yours is expired, it's not going to work. If you suspect this might be the issue, reach out to the meeting host for a fresh link to ensure you're accessing the meeting properly. Another point to consider is the meeting's schedule. Sometimes meetings are only available at specific times. Double check to make sure you're trying to join within the scheduled time slot set by the host. Keep this in mind to avoid unnecessary confusion. It's also possible that your meeting has been deleted or ended by the host. If you find out that you're getting the invalid meeting error even after trying everything, reach out to the host directly to confirm the meeting status. They might have ended or canceled it, and a quick communication can clear things up right away. If you're accessing Zoom via a mobile device and still facing difficulties, it could be worth clearing your app's cache. Go into your app settings and select the option to clear your cache. If problems persist, try logging into Zoom on a different device, such as a PC or tablet, to narrow down the issue. Lastly, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection could prevent you from joining the meeting. Make sure your Wi-Fi or data connection is strong. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it to see if that helps resolve the issue. As a final tip, sometimes a simple sign out and sign in from your Zoom account can refresh your session and fix the issue. It's a quick step that might resolve your problem without too much hassle. By following these steps, you should be well prepared to tackle the pesky invalid Zoom meeting problem with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you experience smoother Zoom meetings in the future.